How do we unlock this thing here? Oh, I see. We got a chain down here that holds the thing down. You got a nice guard on the blade. I like that. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, let me set it up here, and we'll cut some metal with it so you can see. This should be pretty cool. I'm excited to give this thing a go here. Looks like the latch on it's pretty good. Seems like that holds pretty good. Here's how the, see if I can figure out how the miter thing works here. There we go. It looks like that just breaks loose. Hey, this is actually a pretty nice saw. I like this. This is probably one of the nicer ones that I have seen. I used to have a Makita, not a Makita, a DeWalt. Cold, you know, you can touch it right away. It just slices through that like it's nothing, and it's really square. That is just awesome. Anyway, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this. I plan on getting a crap load of use out of it.